right, this problem says, given this equation, find the antiderivative. Well, if this is the derivative of y, the antiderivative will be y. Solve for y. All right, let's go ahead and do separation of variables. Then we'll take the antiderivative of both sides, and we land here. This is the antiderivative, but we don't see this as one of the answer choices. So we've talked about how we need to be able to use properties of logarithms to find other algebraically equivalent expressions. So let's use this property. M times the natural log of x is equal to the natural log of x to the n power. And then let's use this property. P to the 1/2 power is the same thing as the square root of p. All right, so we'll write the 1/2 as an exponent here, and then we'll change that to the square root. Before we do that, notice that x squared is always positive. Anything squared is positive. If you add 1, it's positive. We don't need the square root signs. So the other way we can write this is the natural log of x squared plus 1 to the 1/2 power, or in other words, a square root. And that is answer choice A. There's nothing wrong with this form. It's just not one of the answer choices. This algebraically equivalent one is the one we needed.